so this is Chapter 11, Lesson 2, Median and Mode. I just want to look at this beginning part here, mean, median, and mode. We've already looked at mean. So if we look at that right now and we just define mean, mean is an average, okay? And you take the total, which means you add all of your data, and then you divide it by the number of data pieces, right? And that gives you an average. Median is essentially the middle data value when organized from least to greatest. And mode is the data value that occurs most, that should be an S, most often. Think of it as the repeated one. Let's fix that. Repeated. Okay? So then let's take a look at this real world link. I'm just going to slide that over. So when we look at number 1 right here, we have these pieces of data. If you count them, there's 7. We're going to order the data from least to greatest. So number 1, we've got a 4, 5, and we use commas to separate. 7, 8, 9, 9, and 15. Now you could cross these out as you go, just so you can keep track of them, but we want them in order from least to greatest. Now if we count them, I'm going to use the red pen just to put a dot. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So we want the middle. So if we were to fold this in half, this would be the middle. There are equally 3 on this side and 3 on this side. So we'll circle, as it says here, to circle the middle number in the list. So the median equals 8. Okay. Now, it says find the mean. We've done that before in the last lesson. The mean, we want to add them up and divide by the number. So there are 7 here, so we add them up, and that gives us a total of 57. So we've got 9 plus 7 plus 50. So, okay, so let's do it this way. So this right here, that's 20. Okay, that's 18. So we've got 20, 18, and 19, and that's 57. So to find the mean, we take 57 and divide by 7. 7 into 57 is 8 times, and we have 1 left over. So the mean is 8, remainder 1. Or we just round it and say it's 8. Okay. Let's look at some examples here. As you see, we're looking at median and mode this time. So this is your definitions that we just went over. Okay. There's some examples here that show you how to work through it, finding the median and the mode. So let's look at letter A. So this is page 818A. Okay, so we're going to put these in order. So the order is going to be 17, 19, 20, 21, 24, 30, 33, 37, 38, 40, and 40. Okay, so just find the median and the mode. Well, the mode is the simplest one to find because we can look and see that we have 40 repeated. So our mode is 40. Now to find the median, okay, we count 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's use the green. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 is an odd number, so that means we have 5 on one side, and there's 6 and 5 on the other. So your median is 30. next two examples. We're going to slide this over. Okay, well, let's slide it up. Okay. So it says find the median mode again. Notice we have 8 data pieces. We're going to have to do something a little bit different. So for B, when you put them in order, you have 16.78, 18.38, 22.89, 26.79, 28.54, 31.42, 48.75, and I'm just going to slide this just a teeny bit so I can get this last one in, 51.25. So there's 8 data pieces here. So that we'll take the middle. So 1, 2, 3, 4. The middle is here. So we have to find out what's between these two numbers. So take 26.79 plus 28.54, and we're going to add that up. You should get 55.33, and we have to divide that by 2. 4, I'm sorry, that's right. That's what goes underneath. So 2, 4, we subtract 15, 7, 14, bring down the 3. Make sure you put your decimal up above. That's going to be 6, 12, and 6 again, 13. We got a 1 left over here. And then we can annex a 0 just to see if we can get another number. So that's going to be a 5, 10, and we get 0 left over. So this right here is our median. Okay, mode. Mode is again that repeated number. If we look at all of these numbers, we have no mode. Nothing's repeated, so we just say there is none. Okay, let's look at letter C. Okay, letter C. Again, we're going to do the same thing. We put them in order. 1.65, 1.97, 2.35, 2.45, 2.49, 2.87, 2.87, and 3.75. Okay, so if we count these, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we're going to take the 2 in the middle, which are these 2 right here. 2.49 plus 2.45. Let's fix that. 45. And we get a total of 4.94. 4.94 divided by 2. Put your decimal up in your answer. 2 there, 4, we subtract. Bring down the 9, 4, 8, 14, and 7. So this is our median. Mode. Mode again is that repeated number. Notice that we have this number and this number repeated, so our mode is 2.87. So median and mode is pretty simple. The hardest part about median is when you have an even number of data pieces, you have to take the average of the middle 2. Okay? Make sure you go back and look at these examples over and over as much as you need, and we'll see you next time.